Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save jobs and where you can find the saved jobs on Upwork. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app and then at the jobs feed, if you found some jobs that you are interested in but you cannot apply in that moment, you can save them if you click on that heart option, and then all your saved jobs will appear in the saved jobs section, which is, if you see that search bar at the top of the screen, near that there is that heart button, click on that and here will appear your saved jobs, and later on you can apply for them if you are still interested in these jobs. If you want to undo your saving, then click on that heart again and it will disappear from this list. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.